Hi everyone, and thank you for watching. I'm super excited to share this barbecue pork recipe with you. Now we're making the Char Siu in my deep fryer today. As you can see, it's beautifully charred on the outside and it's super juicy and tender on the inside. One of the reasons I love making barbecue pork at home is that it doesn't have the red food coloring that some restaurants add to it. This is such a delicious recipe that you can enjoy with rice, noodles, or bao buns. The first thing you need to do is select a good cut of pork. We like to use the pork shoulder as it has a little bit of marbled fat and lean pork. Rinse 2 pounds of pork, cut it into 1 to 2 inch thick slabs. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon sugar. Add 1 teaspoon rice cooking wine. Add 3 tablespoons of Char Siu sauce. There are many different brands of Char Siu sauce on the market, but I like to use Lei Gum Gei Char Siu sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of water, and this is to tenderize the meat. Mix and rub the seasoning all over the meat. Add 1 teaspoon of potato starch. You can also use cornstarch. Mix well and massage into the pork. Cover the pork and refrigerate it for at least 24 hours. This ensures that all the flavor gets right into the meat. Place the pork into the air fryer pan. Set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius and set the timer to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, flip your pork over and set the timer for an additional 10 minutes. The total cook time for your Char Siu is 20 minutes in your air fryer. As you can see, the barbecue pork is perfectly charred on the outside. Use a meat thermometer to ensure that the middle of your pork is cooked. Slice and serve this with rice, noodles, or bao buns. As you can see, the reason we like to use the pork shoulder is that it has a little bit of fat as well as lean pork, which makes it perfect to make Char Siu. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you again on my next video.